Welcome, guys. This is Optimal FS, where profitable strategies are being shared. In this video, I want to reveal to you a powerful strategy you can use to scalp volatility 75 index profitably. Volatility 75 index profitably. Only two indicators is what you need here: moving average and ADS. Moving average and ADS. These are the only two indicators you are going to use to make massive profit in this particular strategy. The time frame is 5 minutes time frame. This is what scalping strategy. Now there are 2 points you need to identify first. The first one is to identify the direction of the market. Identify the direction of the market. That is the first thing. Identify the direction of the market. Once you identify the direction of the market, then the next thing is for you to come to the side of the ADS to look for your what entry. Come down to the side of ADS and look for your what for your entry. Now, the first thing is to identify the direction of the market with help of moving average. With the help of what? Moving average. When the candlesticks are above the moving average, that is a bullish, you only consider buy positions. Now, when the candlesticks are below the moving average, that is what? Downtrend, you only consider the sell positions with the help of what? ADS. ADS is what help you to make your entries. The crossing inside of ADS is where you do what? Make your entries. What a moving average helps you is to identify the direction of the market, while ADS helps you to make your entries. Do you understand? Now let me show you what I mean. Now look here. This is the side of ADS. Look at this crossing here. Look at this crossing here in the side of ADS and trace it. You see that the candlestick is clearly above moving average. The candlesticks are clearly what? Above moving average. So this is a buy position. Do you understand? This is what? Buy position. So you make your entry. You make your entry at this particular point, and this is what? A huge profit for you. Do you understand? This is where the crossing occur in the side of the ADS. So you make your entry here, and this is what? A huge profit for you. Do you understand? This is what? A huge profit for you. Now let's move. Let's move. See, the profit is excess. Look at it. The market, the bullish is what? Excess. Now here, look at here, the crossing occur here. There is a crossing occur here in the side of the candlestick crosses the moving average here. Then once you identify the crossing in the side of moving average, you now come down to the ADS and see if there is a crossing. Why the provided the candlesticks are still below. You wait until you see crossing in the side of ADS. Don't just enter without crossing. Crossing in the side of ADS is the point where you make your entry. If you don't see crossing, just be watching the market. Do you understand? Now here, now you see that there is no crossing here. There is no crossing in this region here. In this region here, there is what? No crossing. Do you understand? So wait when there is crossing here. Now look here. See here, there is a crossing here. That is a downward crossing where the red line of ADS crosses. Look at it, and you see that the candlestick where the crossing occur is the particular candlestick that crosses the moving average, which is not a good entry, because the candlestick must have crossed the moving average before the crossing occur in the side of what? ADS. It must be obvious that the candlesticks are below the moving average before you now come down to the ADS to look for your entry. Do you understand? So look at the next crossing here. Look at the next crossing here. Now the next crossing, you see that the candlesticks are clearly below. Clearly what? Below the moving average. The candlestick where the crossing occur is not the one that crosses the moving average. Do you understand? So you make your sell entry at that particular point. Make your sell entry. You make your sell entry here. Do you understand? And there is a huge look at it. Look at it. See where the crossing occur here. Look at it. See where you're going to make your entry here. And that is a huge profit for you. That is what a huge profit. Do you understand? Look at this. This is what a huge profit. Do you understand? This is what a huge this is excess profit for you guys. Now let's move. Let's move. This is a huge this is excess profit, guys. This is excess profit. Now look at here. There is a crossing here. There is a crossing here. There is a crossing here. So once you identify this crossing, the next thing is come down to the side of ADS and look for wait when there is a crossing in the direction of the moving, in the direction of the candlesticks. Do you understand? So there's no crossing here, so you don't force the market, you just relax. Do you understand? The strategy is when the candlesticks are below or above, then you now come down to ADS to find the crossing. That's their entry. You understand? Now look here, we have crossing here. We have crossing here. Do you understand? So let's see if the candlesticks are clearly below the moving average. Why you see it? So you need to make your entry here, and this is what excess profits. Look at it. This is where the crossing occur here. That's where the crossing occur here. So you trace it up. You trace it up. That's where you need to do what? Make your. So this is what excess profit for you. This is what excess. Look at it. It's still going down. It's still going down. This is current chart. Do you understand? This is what current chart. 27 October. Do you understand? This is a what current chart. So if you make your trade, this is what a huge profit. Now let me show you the settings. Let me show you the setting. This is the moving average. Period is 200. Method is simple. Apply to close. You understand? So the second one is ADS. Period is 50. You understand? Then when you come to the style, the color of the style should be the same as to what your screen background. Do you understand? So that is all you need to do what? Make massive profits in this with this strategy. Do you understand? This is Optimal FS where profitable strategies are being shared. So if you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video so that others will benefit. Thank you.